If you are in a Schoology course and one of your teachers has created an assignment for you, which they've added a document through their OneDrive account, the following are going to be the steps that will help you complete this assignment. You're going to go to the location where the teacher directs you to that assignment, and once you find the assignment that you're going to be working on, you're going to click on that title. It's then going to open up a new page which will load both the assignment directions as well as a button that says My Document. To get started making this your own personal copy of that document, you're going to click on the button that says My Document. This is going to load a preview for you, which you'll see your name, and then right next to your name, you're going to see a button that says Submit Assignment and Edit. We're going to want to first have you click on Edit that document. If you see a sign in button, the first thing that you're going to have to do is get signed in using your Office 365 credentials. If you are prompted to enter those credentials, once you add that, you would see a preview of what that document looks like. So to begin working on this document, you're going to click on Edit, and a new tab in your web browser is going to open, and it's going to launch the online version of whichever program that document was in. So for instance, if it's a Word document, it will open up Word Online, and if it's a PowerPoint document, it will open up PowerPoint Online. Once your document loads, you will be able to go in here and edit this document and add any information that you would like, whether it be typing or some highlighting. If there are tools in here that you do not have access to because it's the online version and you need to launch this into the full version of Word, you can do that by clicking on the Editing button up top and selecting the option for Open in Desktop App. You might be prompted with a pop-up that asks you if you meant to switch apps, which case you can hit yes, and the full version of Word is going to be opening up in the background. At the bottom of your screen, you'll start to see the Word or the PowerPoint icon flashing, and you can select that from the bottom of your screen. So down in the black bar at the bottom, I'm going to see Microsoft Word opened, and now I have the full version of Word. I'm making sure my autosave is on so that this is syncing back up to Schoology, and now I could come in here and I could type, I could add pictures, and if I was in a document that I needed to annotate on, I could use all of my different drawing tools. Once I'm all finished working on this, I'm going to notice the bar up top says it's automatically saving. When I'm all finished there, I can close out of this document by clicking on the X, and now it will bring me back to the document in the online version. So you can see I'm back in the web browser. My tab is opened up top. If I hit this refresh button, it's going to show me any of the changes that I just made. Once you see that those changes are made, you can click on the X out of this tab, and it's going to bring you back into your Schoology page where you'll see your assignment again. Now that you've completed editing your document, you want to go through the process of submitting this to your teacher so that they receive your work. Go ahead and click on the Submit button and select Yes, Submit. You'll know that this has successfully submitted when you see that the rocket has launched and you click Done. You'll notice that the preview has now changed to reflect all the work that you have done, and your teacher will be able to see this as well. If at any point you need to go back and make a little change, you can do this by clicking on the Unsubmit button, continuing your work, and then resubmitting.